As you know, any process that has inputs will also produce outputs. In material requirements planning, there are three critical outputs that a planner must pay attention to, and many indirect reports too. These outputs are what will give you information to consider or actions to take. In general, this is one of the most fundamental understandings that you need to have of outputs in MRP. All outputs will give you one of two things, or both at the same time. Number one, give you information to consider, or number two, prompt you to take an appropriate action. With this in mind, in the next few modules, we will dive deeper into planned orders, firm planned orders, action, exception messages, as well as recommendations and reports. Lastly, purchase requisitions. We'll see you in the next module.